Hello everyone, this is Abid. Today we're going to talk about integer. So what are integers? We know there are whole numbers that is 0 to 9. There is something beyond whole numbers. So I'm going to draw a number line for it. I'm going to draw a line. Now, let's say that the middle point is 0. This is 1, this is 2, and so on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. What is here? You might say that there could be another set of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But you're technically correct and you're technically wrong because these are called negative numbers. These are the direct opposite. As you can say, the most smallest number in here is 1 and the biggest is just infinity or absolute infinity. It could be either one, but here the smallest thing is negative absolute infinity or infinity, whatever. There we go. And here we have -1. -1 is the biggest thing because it's the only biggest thing. It starts right here. But what if you're told to do a subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division with it? We know 1 plus 1 is 2. We know that 1 minus 1 equals 0. But where do we get this -1? It is from here, you guessed it. But it is not -1, it is actually 1 plus bracket -1. That is 0. That is the actual thing, but we cannot do this as a minor or junior, so we have to do it normally like -1. But -1, it does not affect this number. It affects this number, but whose is it? Is it the first one or the last one? It's actually the one to the right of it. Now what if you say -1 -1 plus -1? Now the thing is, now how do we actually do it? -1 plus -1, so it will be -1 minus -1. And since both of these are minuses, both the same thing, so it will become a plus, kind of. It will be a plus. But since both of them are minus, it will also be a minus. Let's use the number thing. We have to go to -1 and then we have to do -1 to the left. That is -2, you see? Now what if you're told another thing? What if we try to -1 -1? Sorry. Let's say -1 -1. Now, minus and minus. We know these, or it will be plus, but there is nothing here, so we have to do plus. See, that is 2. We have learned subtraction, addition. Time for something else like division, multiplication and division. So multiplication, let's say 1 multiplied by -1. What will you say it will be? Since it's two kinds of things, this is plus and this is minus, it will be minus, and 1 1 1. Now what if you say -1 times +1? That is minus and plus, minus, and 1 1 1. Now what if you said 1 multiplied by 1? Both are plus. That will still be 1. But what if 1 minus and multiplied by 1 minus? Minus and minus. We have to remember that if both are the same, it will be plus, and if both are different, it will be minus. We have plus 1. Yep, it's definitely a bit confusing, but not too confusing. Division is just multiplication. We know what division, let's say 2 divided by 4. sorry, 4 divided by 2. What do we know? 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. So it is just, division is just multiplication. So we don't have to really learn it. What if you're told negative? Then that will be negative 2. Because you see negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is plus 4. But what if it is minus and is also minus? Then it will be minus minus plus. Well, let's say that this was minus and this was plus. That will be minus again. And both are if both are plus, then it will be plus again. So yeah, these are everything that we have to learn for integer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.